Welcome, today I'm showing how to hide application into Xiaomi 12. First of all, open your settings and in search of settings write hidden apps, this one. And now from the list choose your hidden application, maybe will be nice Netflix, got it, and X icon changer. And now go back to our home screen, and here on the start of this operation we got Netflix and X icon changer. So now we wanna open this application, need do this, touch and hold, and like this. And now here we got our hidden application. And that's it. Thank you for watching, leave thumbs up and subscribe to our channel.